andito kami maglalaro.
Our friend is around the
Let's go.
beside Cebu naman kasali. Let's go.
Tara na mga be.
Let's go. Let's go.
Ayan, ito yung mga kasama ko. Mga alien kami. Ako pala si Bobet.
Hindi rin eh.
Tapos ito si Alien. Tapos ito si Alien Amethyst.
Let's go. Dito, dito. Dito. Okay. Sino tong blue?
Okay.
Si Pepsi. Okay, si Pepsi.
Hoy, be, balik-balik. Bili. Yun. Kompleto na kami guys. Lag ka na at teleporting na.
May ano ka? Dead pose.
Wala.
Okay, let's go.
Ayan, ako pa nauna sa inyo.
Okay, let's go.
Ito guys, ito si ano,
Okay.
si Peng. Siya ay sobrang taba. And ayun yung ate niya. Ayan, nag-dead pose yung dalawa.
Pagod na pagod kami kasi ilan yun naman. Umakit pa kami ng bundok para ano lang dito.
Ay, wow. Go find Mainay. Ayun si Mainay.
Let's go, my nine. Let's go.
Ito si Mainay.
My nine.
Ba't kalbo si Mainay? Kanina.
Tingnan mo mahulog si my nine.
Ito si Pepsi, guys.
This is yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yes. Okay, si Rocky, you pala. How dare you? Ano yung nakalipag dito?
Yes. Ye, kalbo.
We are the alien kings.
Collect chicken and wood. Ito, may wood na ako. Nangunguha to ng wood, nakakabwisit. Yun, dinner will be ready in a few minutes. Please come inside and sit. Go. Hala, si ate nadulas. Hoy, halina kayo, mga baho. Mga baho.
Ay, dito, dito. Ano?
No! Ay, wow. Nakatayo lang talaga
I
ako.
don't see anyone here besides you. Where are your parents?
My mom got very ill, so my dad had to take her to a hospital in the big cities far from here. It'll probably take them a month until they return.
Why didn't you go with them too?
I didn't go because I was waiting for you to return. You didn't come visit me for a long time. I missed you so much.
I'm sorry.
Ayun si Alien.
I had a lot of work and I couldn't come see you soon.
Since you are here now, you should stay with me.
I will only stay for a couple of nights. Then I'm going back home and prepare because I promised that I will marry you.
What if you don't come back again? I want you to stay here with me forever.
We can be together forever after I come back to marry you.
Okay, but you must keep your promise.
I promise. But did you drop into the fire? It's so dark I can't see a thing.
Coke.
Or yung orange.
Royal.
Kaya ako gusto ko maging
Ako si Coke.
Sprite.
Ako si Coke. Ayun na mga be. At, ay, magkakatabi tayo, be.
Yo! Pero kasama si Rian.
Waiting for others. Dalawa pa lang.
Okay.
Gobi. I'm sorry.
Don't eat that poison. Yung kain ng poison.
Sorry about the fire, but the food finished.
Dito tayo ah.
Mm-mm.
Dito tayo.
Ayoko muna i-eat.
Look, kinain naman ni Rene.
Okay na.
It's late now, so let's go to the restaurant. The food is
Uncle's house. Let's go, ma bear. Dito tayo. Uy. Ay, wow, nag-dead post. I think something's wrong. Ayan, mga be. Diba, ang tagal. What happening?